Back-to-back at makasaysayang panalo ang iniiwi muli ng Baguio Boy F4 racer na si Inigo Anton. Ito'y sa kanyang pagbabalik sa Pilipinas matapos siyang tanghaling kauna-unahang Pilipinong kampyon sa Rookie F4 Southeast Asia Championship noong September 21 sa Malaysia. Dito nakaharap niya ang 16 na kalaban mula sa 11 bansa, pero hindi raw ito naging madali para sa kanya.
In Malaysia, there was a flu going around at that time, and actually some of our mechanics got hit with the flu earlier in the week, and also my coach as well. So unfortunately, the night before my race, I got a very high fever and a lot of chills also. So at that point, we didn't even know that I was going to be able to compete and to race, but I just trusted in hopefully getting better, and I was also accompanied by a lot of people who helped me out, especially my mom and also my ninangs who were nurses as well.
Bagamat mayroon pa sana itong isang karera nung araw na yon, nagdesisyon na ang kanyang pamilya na huwag nang sumabak pa.
We went to the medical center. As soon as you're inserted with an IV, you're going to be disqualified. So before inserting the IV, they told us that if you insert the IV, you won't be able to race in the last race. But then as parents, we decided, it's better because he's gonna represent the country. He won the championship already, so no need to join the last race.
Pagkatapos nito, nakasungkit din ng gintong medalya si Inigo para sa Team Philippines sa Karting Slalom Seniors Division sa Asia Pacific Motorsport Championship 2025 sa Sri Lanka noong September 26 hanggang 28.
I'm really grateful for the opportunity this year. It was really one of my wildest dreams to be able to compete in a full season in Formula racing, and I'm really grateful for my sponsors like Motul especially and Black Horse Racing who decided to support me. So hopefully with this championship win, we can see our future options for next year.
Kaya naman mas tutok pa kay Inigo ngayon ang kanyang coach at ama na si Carlos Anton.
Inigo mentioned that to me the other day. He said, Dad, looks like you're doing really good as a coach. And for me, I said, no, definitely. That's not my career path. Okay? I said, I know it's a problem because every time I coach, they win. Right? So, like the team in Sri Lanka also.
Pero sa kabila nito, malaki rin ang natutunan ni Inigo sa kanyang mga karera.
I just always tend to, set aside my emotions and focus on what I have to do, what I have to drive so that I don't make mistakes out of pressure or cracking under pressure. And I'm really glad that I was able to do that, of course, with the training from my parents too on how to manage competitions and events, not just in racing, but I've been exposed to a lot of competitions everywhere else. And the main factor that helps me succeed is learning to control my emotions and to be at a calm state.
Bagamat mamahaling sport ito, kumpiyansa pa rin si Inigo na magpatuloy ng may dedikasyon at pagpupursige papalapit sa kanyang pangarap na makalahok sa Formula 1 competition. Charles Nicolimon, RNG News.